Hi Year 5, this is your homework all about the Islamic faith. And I'm going to explain the information about Islam, and there's some videos that I would like you to have a watch of as well, and your task will be at the end. So first of all, we're going to learn about Ramadan and Eid. So did you know that Ramadan moves around the year? So it's not always on the same date every single year. It depends when the calendar is, and so it can start off one year in, say, winter, and eventually throughout the years it can move all the way back round to summer again. Ramadan is the month of fasting. That's when they give up eating and drinking during the day. It's also a time when Muslims pray and think of those less fortunate than themselves. This really reminds me of Easter, when we fast for 40 days and we think about Jesus in the desert when he didn't give in to the temptation of the devil. And we think about giving to others. We give up chocolate and things like that. And we also have to remember there's a time to pray. So instead of eating in the daytime, they have to get up super early and eat and drink in the dark before the sun rises. If you're too young though, or you're travelling, or you're poorly, you don't have to participate in the fasting, because that wouldn't make you very well. It can be very hard and you need lots of self-control. And then Eid is the festival at the end of Ramadan. Here on the BBC Bite-Size programme, there is a story all about the story of Abdullah during Ramadan and what Ramadan is and why it came to be. So pause now and have a little look at that for me. Okay, a trip to Mecca. So again, here you can have a look at the BBC Bite-Size clip, and there's a video explaining all about Mecca. So it's a city in Saudi Arabia, it's in the Middle East, and Mecca is the birthplace of Muhammad, who was the founder, the creator of Islam. Muslims all over the world turn towards Mecca to pray 5 times each day. And down here there's a picture of their mats, and in the centre there's a little compass, and it always points to Mecca so they can move their mat around. Mecca is the world's holiest city to Muslims, and they make a pilgrimage, so a religious journey to Mecca, at least once in their lives. And the pilgrimage is one of the 5 duties of every Muslim, so they must do it once. At the Mecca, they visit the Great Mosque, which is up here, and in the middle of the Great Mosque is the Holy Kaaba, a small building that contains the black stone of Mecca, and they walk around this black stone here. Okay, your task. I would like you to create a poster or a PowerPoint or a Word document, a leaflet. You have all of that in Teams as well if you'd like to use PowerPoint and Word. And I want you to tell me all about Ramadan, Eid and the Hajj by doing some research and answering the following questions. Before I tell you the questions, we need to remember that it must be eye-catching, colourful, neat, and include pictures or thumbnail pictures, because this will be going straight into your Come and See book, and we know we have such high expectations for our Come and See book. So I want to know what Ramadan is, how does it help Muslims, and what can be difficult about doing Ramadan. For Eid, I want to know what Eid is, what happened, how can Eid give Muslims the chance to change their lives and start again, and why is this important for a believer. And then I would like you to tell me all about their pilgrimage. So what is it, what happened, where did they go, why did they go, where is Mecca, and what do Muslims bring back? So not a souvenir or a gift, but how will it help them spiritually in their day-to-day lives? Here are some examples of poster layouts. So a double page spread and a 3 page, lots of different pictures. It's got nice bullet points, subheadings. And here they are again, layout there. So go back to this slide, and your poster must include all information about Ramadan, Eid and the Hajj, please. Can't wait to see your homework, Year 5.